Men over 60, 3 exercises that restore energy and improve bedroom performance naturally. As we age, it's no secret that our bodies begin to slow down. But slowing down doesn't mean giving up. Not on energy, not on strength, and definitely not on intimacy. In fact, for men over 60, maintaining energy and bedroom performance isn't just possible, it's well within reach. You don't need to spend hours at the gym or take risky shortcuts. What you need are the right movements, simple, targeted exercises that wake up your body, stimulate circulation, and reignite vitality where it matters most. Many men believe that decline is inevitable after 60. They feel more tired, less confident, and assume their best days are behind them. But here's the truth: your body still responds to movement. Even at 60, 70, or beyond, the male body is capable of rebuilding strength, improving blood flow, and producing testosterone, especially when you give it the right kind of stimulus. And today we'll go over 3 powerful exercises that do exactly that. No gimmicks, no extreme routines, just real, natural ways to restore your energy and boost your performance, both in your daily life and in the bedroom. Let's start with the first exercise, Kegel exercises, also known as pelvic floor exercises. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kegels? Isn't that something women do? Actually, no, these exercises are just as important for men, especially aging men. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles that support your bladder, your bowels, and yes, your sexual function. When these muscles weaken, it can lead to problems with control, stamina, and even erectile function. But when strengthened, they become your hidden weapon. Doing Kegels consistently improves your ability to control urination, increases blood flow to the pelvic region, and enhances endurance during intimacy. Think of it like this: your pelvic floor is the foundation of everything down there. If that foundation is weak, performance suffers. But when it's strong, everything feels more responsive and reliable. To perform a Kegel, simply tighten the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine midstream. Hold that contraction for 5 seconds, then release for 5 seconds. That's 1 rep. Try doing 10, 15 reps 3 times a day. You can do them sitting, standing, or lying down. No one will even know you're doing them. And with time, you'll notice increased control, stronger erections, and better sensation during intimacy. Next, let's move on to the second exercise, brisk walking with arm swings. It might sound too simple to be effective, but walking is one of the most underrated tools for male vitality, especially when you add deliberate arm movements. Why? Because this type of walking doesn't just elevate your heart rate, it increases blood circulation throughout your entire body, including the areas tied to performance and hormonal health. When you walk briskly at a pace that slightly elevates your breathing and swing your arms rhythmically, you activate multiple muscle groups, stimulate lymphatic flow, and support your cardiovascular system. Regular walking lowers blood pressure, reduces belly fat, and helps regulate blood sugar, all of which are tied to testosterone levels and sexual function. But there's more. The rhythmic motion of walking also helps lower stress and improve mental clarity, which plays a huge role in performance. The more relaxed your mind, the better your body responds. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If you can, walk outdoors in the morning sunlight. This boosts vitamin D, enhances your circadian rhythm, and naturally supports testosterone production. Make it a habit, take the same route daily, or explore new paths. And while you walk, focus on posture. Keep your spine straight, chest open, and arms moving in sync with your stride. You'll begin to feel lighter, more energized, and even mentally sharper within a few weeks. Now let's talk about the third and perhaps most transformative exercises, bodyweight squats. Don't worry, we're not talking about heavy lifting or gym equipment. These are simple, controlled squats using just your body weight. Why squats? Because they activate your largest muscle groups, your thighs, hips, and glutes. When you train these muscles, your body responds by producing more testosterone, improving insulin sensitivity, and enhancing overall endurance. But there's another reason squats matter so much for men over 60. They improve lower body circulation, which is vital for bedroom performance. A strong lower body helps with stamina, balance, and even thrusting strength. And squats also stimulate core engagement, improving posture and confidence, 2 things that directly influence how you feel in intimate moments. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted, core engaged, and back straight. Slowly bend your knees, pushing your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Lower yourself as far as comfortable. No need to go deep. Then push through your heels to return to standing. Start with 2 sets of 10 squats and increase gradually as your strength improves. If needed, hold onto a chair or countertop for support. The goal isn't speed, it's control and consistency. And remember, every time you squat, you're telling your body, I still have strength, I'm still here, I still want to feel alive. These movements reconnect you with your body, and that connection spills over into every area of life, especially intimacy. So let's review. Kegels strengthen the muscles you can't see, but absolutely feel. Brisk walking activates your entire system, inside and out. And squats build the foundation of strength, stability, and stamina. Together, these 3 exercises create a powerful, natural formula for restoring male energy, supporting hormonal health, and reviving bedroom performance without a single pill. But there's something deeper here too. These exercises are more than physical. They're a statement, a commitment, a quiet reminder that you're not giving up on yourself, that even in your 60s or 70s, you're still capable of change, still worthy of vitality, still deserving of connection and desire. And that belief, that spark of self-worth, is what truly brings results. Here's the truth. Many men struggle in silence. They feel too embarrassed to talk about it, too afraid to ask for help. But what if the first step wasn't a big conversation or a doctor's visit? What if it was just standing up, taking a deep breath and doing 10 squats, or taking a walk around the block with purpose, or squeezing a muscle no one else can see, but you can feel gaining strength? These movements may be simple, but they're profound. They send a message to your body, to your mind, to your partner, that you still care, that you still want to feel good, move well, and love deeply. And when done consistently, they bring results you can see, feel, and be proud of. So where do you start? Right here. Today, choose just one of these exercises and commit to it for the next week. Then add another. Let it grow naturally, and as you move more, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts. More energy in the morning, less stiffness during the day, more confidence at night. That's how change happens. Not all at once, but step by step, rep by rep, breath by breath. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 exercises will you try first? Are you already doing any of them in your routine? Or is there something else you swear by for boosting energy and performance as you age? Let's open up the conversation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're building a community here, and your voice matters. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or even just a little motivating, do me a quick favor, click that like button. It helps more men over 60 find this kind of content. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because in our next video, we'll dive into 3 powerful herbs that help naturally raise testosterone, improve stamina, and reduce stress without side effects. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Your body is still listening. Give it movement, give it intention, and it will give you back strength, vitality, and life. Thanks for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.